Welcome to week 5 of Teaching Online for Beginners. I'm Beth Daly, and what we're going to do in this little video is to just describe the activities that are involved and available for you in week 5. Of course, the focus is to complete the capstone project. That's your self-introductory video, the video that you've been working on and leading up to this point. There are 2 course goals that are addressed during this week. One goal is to produce a self-introductory video, which will become part of a more complete introductory unit in an online course. And 2, to tap internal and external resources to support your online teaching role. Now, the capstone video, of course, we've been leading up to this, involves designing, uploading, and sharing. So you might decide that you want to use Screencast-O-Matic. That's the application that we worked on a couple of weeks ago, or you might decide to use an application, a different application that better suits what you want to do and your comfort level. We hope that you consider using YouTube. It certainly is a place where you can upload videos and create links to those videos. And the other thing that we'd like you to do is to post a link to the video that you've created on the TOL4B home-based page. We've created a spreadsheet that will look like this. What you need to do is just find your name here and then post a link to your video on that page, and that way we all be able to learn from each other. Part of the week, like I said, is to tap the resources that you have. Continue to navigate and network is what I like to call it. You know, you have fellow participants within this MOOC that you can connect with and help to assist, as well as internal and external resources within your organization. We have one resource that you might want to consider looking at. The TLT community put together this advice, kind of what are some of the issues and what are some when you start to teach online, and what are some strategies you might want to consider. So please look at that. There are 2 webinars that are, I would say, optional. The topics are certainly related to teaching online that you might want to consider participating in. One is on Wednesday, and we're going to look at DIGO. It's a great great resource for sharing and capturing and cultivating resources. So we'll look at that on Wednesday, and then on Friday, we're going to talk a little bit more about collecting and using student feedback in online courses. What are ways that people do use, and what are strategies that are effective? So that might be of interest to you as well. So that's the week 5 learning plan. So basically, the pedagogical focus this week is we hope that as you near the end of the course, which we are nearing the end of, that you'll begin to reflect on what you've learned. You know, what changes might you make to the initial checklist of do's and don'ts, and what format might your course introduction forum take, and what skills do you want to further develop. The technical focus for the week, obviously, is to continue to hone your skills as you finish the capstone project. So looking forward to working with you this week, and hope to see you in one of the webinars.